Good day to all employer in Hong Kong. I am Jane A. Albiane from the Philippines. I am 38 years old. I am married with 2 children ages 17 and 11 years old. My family will take care of them while I work abroad. I am college level in Bachelor of Science Hospital Restaurant Management. I am willing to tutor kids. I don't have a work experience in Hong Kong, but I have work experience as domestic helper in Kuwait for 4 years, 2022-2026. I serve 6 members of the family, 1 couple, 4 adults ages 28, 24, 19, 17 years old, and 9 years old of children. I don't have tattoo, I don't have body operation, I don't smoke or drink alcohol. I want to work abroad for my family, and I am willing to take care baby or children, pets like dog and cats. I can sing nursery song for kids. To my future employer, please hire me. I promise to finish my 2 years contract, and I will treat your family like my own. Thank you.